Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video it's going to be a cook with me. I am going to prepare some grilled shrimp tacos. But before I get started, just remember to subscribe to my channel and give this video a huge thumbs up, especially if you're a foodie addict like me. Now, when I cook in the kitchen, I sometimes like to prepare at least the night before certain things, but my husband was very kind and actually peeled the shrimps I'm going to be using for today. So this is where it gets tough because I don't do measurements. I kind of eyeball everything, but right here I have 3 pounds of shrimp. Now for my dry ingredients, I'm going to be using cumin, salt, hot Mexican chili, a Southwest Chipotle seasoning, and black pepper. Now I would actually start adding all my dry ingredients in one bowl, give it a good mix, and add it to my shrimp. Have you guys ever heard of the phrase cooking with your own taste? Well, let me let you guys know. You guys could add less ingredients or more ingredients. It's whatever you guys like. Now I'm gonna get these nice and coated. I'm gonna let it marinate in the fridge for a while, and now let's get to the veggies. And if you guys remember in my last video, I mentioned that I like to double rinse either my veggies or my fruit. So double make sure to rinse your veggies well because there's a lot of dirt and debris. Now I'm going to grab my knife and I'm going to start chopping those veggies. Can you guys keep a secret? I'm going to show you how I do my cabbage slaw. It's lots of yummy ingredients. So the first thing you will need is actually shredded cabbage, but we're actually going to have that done and ready, but put them on the side. So we are going to need some green onions, garlic, and cilantro. All these veggies are going to be blended. We're also going to use 2 limes, oil, and salt. Now let's squeeze the day by squeezing these limes. Now kind of eyeballing and measuring, I added a half a cup of water, 2 big tablespoons of sour cream, then adding cilantro and of course green onion. Now let's hit that on button and let everything start blending. Doesn't this feel oddly satisfying? Like, keep watching, let it blend. So I'm going to grab the cabbage that I put on the side. We're gonna start making our slaw. I'm also gonna grab cilantro. After we are going to add our dressing and give it a great mix. Now that I'm done mixing, I'm going to store this in the fridge while I start making a little salsa. This salsa is very simple. It just needs 3 ingredients: some jalapeno, lime juice or lemon juice, and salt. By this time, I regret not buying a lime squeezer. And here we go again. Let's start blending. Now let's heat up the kitchen. I'm going to get my pan out, add some oil, and throw some shrimps in there. Let's hear it sizzle. So cooking with shrimp is actually very easy. It only takes 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and you will only need to flip it once. Now I'm going to transfer the shrimp to a plate, and I'm going to continue by finishing cooking the rest of the shrimp. And for tortillas, you could use any type. You could use the flour, white corn, but I decided to use yellow corn. I just love the smell and I think it tastes amazing. Now for the fun part, let's build our tacos. I'm also gonna be adding queso fresco on the tacos. I think it gives it a really amazing taste. So I'm gonna start preparing my tacos. I'm gonna add the cabbage slaw first. And this is actually one of my favorite parts, is sprinkle the queso fresco on top. I just love cheese. Comment down below, let me know if you're a cheesy person like me. And last but not least, we're gonna add our green salsa. And guys, this salsa is so good. I just love it. And I forgot, for some yummy goodness, let's add some slices of avocado. And that is gonna be it with the video, guys. I hope you guys love these type of videos. If you guys do, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram under the name of Chapa Jazz. And the recipe is going to be down on the description box in case you guys were interested. And guys, have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.